Next story deals with coronavirus. We all know that we've been tracking a coronavirus stock, but this is breaking news. UK, so not the United States, UK approves the use of a life-saving coronavirus drug, dexamethasone. Why are you laughing? What? Why are you laughing? All right, I gotta sound it out.
You got it.
Dexamethasone. In the biggest breakthrough yet, it cost 5 Libra. Is that it? Per patient? I don't know if that's expensive or not. But the UK is coming out with a possible drug, a vaccine already. A trial led by Oxford University found that the low dose, and it's a steroid, I'm hearing that word come up a lot in regards to a vaccine for coronavirus treatment, dexamethasone, cut the risk of death by 1/3 for patients on ventilators and by 1/5 on those with oxygen, according to results published earlier today.
Antoinette Lloyd, MD, said you said it right.
Oh, MD. Wow, really? I said it right. Woo! All right, you know what that means?
Maybe a little clap.
A little clap would have been better? All right. The treatment will now be used on the I can say that word, but can't say 3 letters. NHS as a standard care for COVID-19 patients, and the UK's chief scientific advisor, Sir Patrick Valiant, said the drug could immediately be used across the world. So this is breaking news. Now, I don't have a stock for this. I don't have a stock symbol for this, but I'm just bringing it to the forefront that there is a drug possibly in the UK set to start going after coronavirus. That's in the UK. In the US, my favorite stock, Moderna moves forward with phase 3 study of COVID-19. I told you that Moderna was probably going to be one of the first stocks to come up with a vaccine. They have been aggressively moving through this space. The company has finalized its phase 3 study protocol, and the trial of MRNA 1273 on about 30,000 subjects is expected to begin next month. The primary endpoint of the randomized placebo-controlled trial will be prevention of symptomatic COVID-19 disease. Collaborating with Lonza, Moderna mRNA remains on track to be able to deliver about 500 million doses per year and maybe up to 1 billion doses per year beginning in 2021. Now, they were down on the day that we did this story, which was June 11th, which was last week. All right, shares have moved into the green, up 2.4% pre-market. So the stock for the UK, that is a UK stock. And I'm wondering if I could find that company on the UK database in VectorVest. But Moderna is primarily the stock that we use, and I'm a big fan of it in the US. Let's analyze it real quick. Stock trading at 64, value at 441. This stock is way overvalued. Why? People are willing to pay a premium to own this stock. If Moderna is going to be one of the first stocks that is going to come out with a vaccine, man, this is going to drive the stock's price higher. More and more people are jumping on board with the price of the stock, pushing the stock greatly above its value. Now, the fundamentals behind it. RV, no good. Relative safety, no good. What's moving the stock right now is that it's moving higher. RT is at a nice level of 1.55. They're not making money. They're not making money. This is more of a longer-term trade. Now, when I say longer-term trade, if we go look at the graph, let's view the stock graph of Moderna. Moderna, for the most part, it's moved up. It took a big hit, but look at that rebound coming off of that hammer. Look at that run up back above the 20-day exponential moving average. Earnings is getting better. Still negative, but over the last, what is this? What am I looking at? Over the last 1 year, let's put this on a 3-month graph. Man, Joey, you got all this stuff on my desk. Over the last 3 months, stop talking to me right now, Joey. Stop talking. Look at the last 3 months. The earnings are gotten much better. RT still above 1. When the stock got hit, RT got hit, but look at the rebound on RT. Stock's above the value of the 20-day exponential moving average. Open candle, but look for the last few days moving sideways. I'm okay with that as long as it's above the 20-day exponential moving average. Moderna is a drug company of choice that I'm very still excited about. Let's go look at our coronavirus watch list. Let's see where Moderna sits with the stock list sorted by VST. There it is. It's in the top 20 or so. REGN has got the better combination of value, safety, and timing. If you're looking for longer-term stocks to hold in this space, sort this list by relative value. So here's our coronavirus watch list. Look at the stocks that have the high relative value. Those are the gooder. Those are the better long-term holds in this space. If I'm looking for the safest coronavirus stocks, sort the list by relative safety. Notice that REGN was on both lists at the top of RV and RS, now sorted by RT. Regen moves out of the top, but still in the top 20. AEMD is the fastest moving by RT. So you can use this coronavirus watch list in many different ways to find out if you're looking for stocks to hold long term. This list of 42 stocks can be sorted by relative value. If you're looking for the ones who consistently and predictably meet or exceed earnings, sorted by relative safety. And if you're in tune with one of the which ones are running the fastest, look at RT. This could be a powerful ally in these days of coronavirus, whether the market's moving up or down. You can find what stocks are moving. And if I'm trading these as a day trade, sort the list by percent price change, and I can always, every day, find out which one of these stocks are moving up for the day and day trade. I can day trade this list. I can look for safety stocks in this list. I can look for long-term stocks in this list. There's nothing that I can't do as far as the flexibility of the software affords me. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.